Check in the text below and also in the comments. I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you do your shopping. Thanks a bunch. Before we get started here, just let me make a comment for the trolls. I know that I have very bad skin. I have very big pores. I have a mirror. I have many mirrors. I've been looking at my bad skin for many more minutes than any viewer will during this video. If anyone feels the need to tell me that I have bad skin, it doesn't make you a rocket scientist. You haven't discovered this fact. I already know it. Anyone who watches this video can tell that. But if you'd feel the need to say that, I might let your comment stay, but I might not, depending on how you say it. Enjoy. Have you ever used a pore cleaner, blackhead removal tool, blackhead extractor? Did you even know these things existed? It certainly isn't anything that we want to talk about a lot in a social setting, but it's really nothing we want hanging on our face either. So I've been using a Voyor pore cleaner for a couple of years now, and then this is a different model that I'm going to test and show you how this one works as compared to my other one. The Voyor products all come in a very nice packaging, covered up in cellophane so that you know that they're intact. I'm going to take the cellophane off so we can read the package details. This is the Voyor 6-in-1 Blackhead Remover. The model number is BR410. The main functions are to remove blackheads, to reduce skin acne, reduce grease, minimize clogged pores, exfoliate dead skin, tighten up skin, lessen wrinkles, and smooth fine lines. I have several products by Voyor and I'm 100% pleased with all of them. Here's some specs on the device. Here's the manufacturer's information. It also comes with a QR code if you want to use that to get some more information. It has the 6 heads and we're going to look at those when we open the box. Like all of my other Voyor products, it's nice, clean, they're so well made, they're attractive, they're very aesthetically pleasing. So these are the little rings that are going to go down inside of here to help create a good suction. And these are little filters that go down inside of here that help keep the machine clean. This model is a rechargeable. It comes with a cord. It does not come with a wall charger. You can use any kind of wall charger that has a USB port in it to charge it up. It does come with a cable. I'm going to plug the cable in here. Plug into my wall charger. Plug into an outlet. And we can see the red light indicates that it is charging. And this is going to be the off and on button, and it has the 3 speeds. So we're going to let it charge for a little while and then use it. Nice instruction booklet that has the QR codes for product operation video, customer service, and then follow us to become a VIP for details. The instruction booklet comes in several languages. Comes with some general warnings. Reminds us to fully charge the device before the first use. And here's the nice diagram that shows us the parts of the machine. That's going to be the indicator light for the suction strength. It has 3 levels. Charging light, off and on button. Small circular hole head is this one. It kind of targets some areas and creates the suction for tender or sensitive skin. Full hole head says it can lessen wrinkles. That is this one. It's going to go over a little bit wider area. The microcrystalline dead skin exfoliation is going to help remove dead skin. That is this one here. The silicone head is for gentle suction suitable for using on sensitive skin. That will be this one. If you have sensitive skin, I recommend you start with that one. The curved hole head is for super strong suction for special curved angles on your skin. That is this one. My favorite is the large circular hole head for strong suction, and it says not to use it for more than 2 seconds on each skin area. You want to keep it moving. That is the one that comes on it. So to remove these, you just pop them off, and down inside here, this is where you can replace, this is where you can replace those when you need to. But I've had one of these for over a year, and I haven't had to replace it. I just take it out and clean it. Then these things, if you needed to replace them, the little things help hold it on. The little look like rubber bands. You have replacements of those in there as well. But mine, I've had it for over a year, and I haven't had to replace any of those. I just take this out and just wash it in warm soapy water and dry it well. And then, you know, pop it back on. It's just that easy. The instructions say that when the working light is flashing, it needs to be charged, and when the red light's on, it's charging, and the green light means it's fully charged. We should be fully charged now. Charge it up and press it one time to put it on low speed. 2 times and it goes up to the middle light on medium speed. And then one more time to put it on high speed. So the instructions recommend starting on low speed, and I'm going to be using this nozzle today. I normally give myself a facial every day during my off-contract days, but I have not done any this week because I wanted to see what this could do. Additionally, I have one like this by this exact company that I use on my nose and my chin almost every single night. So my face feels really, really nasty right now, and kind of a little terrified about what we might get off here. So I'm going to do my chin first because the nose is probably going to be a little bit more dramatic. So I hope you can see that I've gotten, I hope you can see in there I've gotten that much off just from the few passes that I've made on my chin. And like the instructions say, I just got out of the shower and I put a scrub on my face, and then I washed it with a bath cloth. So I've kind of already exfoliated my face. And it should be clean, but I can still feel like rough patches and stuff all over it because I haven't given myself the facials and stuff this week. So let's do the nose, and it's probably going to be a little bit more dramatic. Oh, and the redness is normal. Again, I'm going to start on a low speed. You can see it pulling out of my pores. And that's just on low speed. But you can see all of that gunk. That is so gross, isn't it? It's so nasty. So I'm going to continue to do my nose without the filming so I can look at it in my mirror, and then I'll show you what I get out at the end. Nasty. I'm going to go ahead and crank it up to a higher speed. So this is what came out after just that little bit of use. It's pretty nasty. And I have a scar here on my nose where I had Mohs surgery, and it doesn't even hurt that. It doesn't affect it at all. But just to get another shot of this, this is what came from one pass. This is what came out from just what I showed you. One pass on my nose and a few spots on my chin. Then be sure to either clean it out with a cotton swab or wash it out in the sink. Or both. Also, you can see that there's debris down in here, so you can use a cotton swab to clean that, or just a washcloth to wipe it off. Make sure this is dry before you put it back on. Twist your favorite cap back on. You're ready for the next night. Handy, useful, efficient. And after you clean your face, make sure that you follow up with your favorite skincare product on your nice, clean face. That's it. This is actually the next day. I just gave myself a facial, and I'm going to try the head that has the angle on it. This is the one I normally use on my other pore cleaner that I have good results with. So I'm going to cut it on medium. And since I just cleaned my nose last night, there's not going to be a dramatic but you can tell by the angle it's a little bit easier to use this one on the nose. But it's still got some stuff out. This one just is a little bit more effective to me for my nose and my chin, which is really the only places that I use this. I don't really use it any other places. So I highly recommend these tools. That much just from those few passes, and remember I cleaned it last night, so yuck. Disgusting yet satisfying. Thanks for watching my video about the Voyor pore cleaner. Remember, it's free to like the video, give the video a thumbs up, you can leave a comment, and share this video if appropriate. And until next time, if you have time before you go, watch another video and consider subscribing to my channel or playlist that suits your needs and interests. And until next time, let's just help each other stay as clean as possible.